The next topic that we have to cover today is errors in measurement. Now, see, error is a part of physics, error is a part of life. We do mistakes, that is an error. So, while doing experiments, while measuring quantities, while taking observations, there are certain errors that we commit. Errors are basically of three types. The first is gross, the second is systematic, and the third is random error. First is gross error. Gross errors mainly covers the human mistakes in reading instruments and recording and calculating measurement results. For example, due to oversight, a person is oversighted. The actual reading was 21.5 degrees centigrade, but due to his oversightedness, he read it 31.5 degrees centigrade. So there is an error because of the human. So such type of error are called as gross errors. Gross errors may be of any amount and then their mathematical analysis is impossible. Then these are avoided by adopting two means. The first one is the great care is must in reading and recording data. 2, 3 or even more reading should be taken. Now why 2, 3 and more reading should be taken? For example, if the mistake is done in first reading, it can be rectified in the second or the third. Second is systematic errors. These errors are classified into three categories. The first is instrumental, second environmental, and third is observational. Now, as the name suggests, instrumental error, these errors arise due to these three reasons. The first is due to inherent shortcoming in the instrument. For example, if the spring used in permanent magnet instrument has become weak, then instrument will always read high. Errors may cause because of friction, hysteresis, or even gear backlash. Second is due to misuse of the instruments, and third is due to loading effect of the instrument. So any error occurring because of the instrument will be categorized in instrumental errors. Next is environmental errors. These errors due to conditions external to measuring device, including condition in the surrounding. These may be effect of temperature, pressure, humidity, dust, vibration, or of external magnetic or electrostatic field. So any error occurring due to atmospheric changes or environmental changes will come under environmental errors. Next is observational errors. There are many sources of observational errors. The first is parallax, second inaccurate estimate of average reading, third wrong scale reading and wrong recording the data, and the last is incorrect conversion of units between the consecutive readings. Then we have random errors. Now, the quantity being measured is affected by many happenings in the universe. We are aware for some, but we are unaware about many others. So, the errors caused by happening about which we are unaware are called random errors. It's also known as residual errors.